What are the peaks and valleys of trial? You've decided to bring a lawsuit, and now you want to know what are the ups and downs that are going to happen during the course of trial. Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. In every single trial, whether it's an accident case or a medical malpractice case or even a wrongful death case, you will have what's known as peaks and valleys during the entire trial. And why is that? Because there will be different times during the trial with different witnesses where you will think your case is going great, everything is going in your favor. And now, at some point during the trial, you will see that everything is going wrong with your trial. Things aren't getting into evidence. The defense attorney is objecting continuously and the judge is siding in his favor. And you think things are going really poorly. Or you're going to hear witnesses from the other side testify, and now you're going to be really depressed because you think things are going really badly. And then there will be other times where you think things are going great during cross-examination of a witness, where I'm able to make a key point and get the witness to admit something that he wasn't able to admit before. Then you're going to feel great. So there are clearly peaks and valleys throughout the entire trial. And one of the things, it's like an emotional roller coaster. And a lot of victims don't understand this until you're in the trial. And this is really important when we prepare you for trial and prepare you for the testimony, for the questions that you're going to be asked by me and also by the defense attorney on cross-examination, that you are going to go on an uphill battle because you're having to relive the entire event. You have to now explain to people who you don't know exactly what the harms and losses and injuries that you've suffered. And then you're going to quickly see how there are ups and downs, and you are going to be exhausted by the end of the day because you literally will be going on an emotional roller coaster. You'll feel great at certain points, and other points you'll feel not so great, and every day is going to be different. And why is this important for you to learn? It's important because as you're contemplating bringing a case for an accident matter or for wrongful death or for medical malpractice, you have to understand that when you go to trial, this is a fact that will occur during the course of your trial. And nobody really talks about that. But the emotional component is something that I think is very important, and it's important for you to understand before you ever decide to go ahead and bring a case. Now, I should tell you, this should not inhibit you or prevent you from going forward with a valid case. Instead, it should only open your eyes and make you recognize that this is something to be aware of as you go forward, knowing that this is what's going to happen as you get into trial. You know, you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.